Hi, I'm Simon Porcher. I'm a professor of management at the University Paris-Dauphine PSL in Paris. Water is more than just a local natural resource. It's a public service, it's a local common pool resource, and it's a global common good. In this lecture, I introduce water regulation and governance related to those three dimensions. In the first part of the lecture, I speak about water as water public utilities, which has natural monopoly characteristics and requiring highly specific investment. And I show how it impacts the writing of contract and the regulation of water utilities. I give real-life example showing that, for example, contracts are incomplete and that it results in some risk of hold-up for some of the parties of the contract. In the second part of the literature, I show that water is a local common pool resources that needs specific institutions à la Ostrom in order to manage this local resource as a community. Finally, in the last part of the lecture, I consider water as a global common good, meaning that, for example, water stress is a global problem and a transnational problem, that we trade water via the goods that we consume and that we trade, and also that the water cycle is a common problem because it's modified with climate change. So, for example, you have humidity, evaporation of water that follow different rules than it used to be, precipitations that are also more unstable than it used to be. So it requires a global regulation and building global institutions to deal with this issue. Finally, to conclude, you see that the lecture was about the three characteristics of water. That makes it a very interesting subject because it's at the same time a local public service, a common pool resource, and a global common.